We all know that a big Shiba Inu price pump is coming. Yes, now we are talking about the Robinhood list. Every Shiba Inu holder is waiting for the announcement of the Shiba list in Robinhood. How much price pump can be expected with this list? And most importantly, what has Robinhood confirmed about Shiba Inu? This question will be replied to today. And we'll also share the expected price pumps that experts are expecting with Robinhood listings. So the first you need to do is subscribe and watch the video to the end. So with no more, let's start the explanation. While Nimiq cryptocurrency Shiba Inu is literally on the rise, many Shiba fans were fighting to raise it to 0.00.01, while fellow Nimiq crypto Dogecoin was in the desert. Meanwhile, Shiba fans are lobbying Robinhood to add crypto. Dogecoin is already on the platform of the popular trading app. Many Shiba holders hold millions of Shiba tokens just for listing on the Robinhood platform. But recently we got great news from which we learned that Robinhood is coming up with the Shiba list very soon. Shiba shared the crypto on Twitter with information that will soon be listed in the Robinhood app. Over the past few days, there have been numerous information publications and blog posts across the internet where Robinhood listing Shiba Inu coin. Robinhood talks about the billion-dollar commission-free stock trading app located in the United States. Meanwhile, Shiba has already reached 12% to $0.029 on the listing news. Rumor has it that the Robinhood app has more than 22 million users. This is a huge number, and at the same time, it will reveal a list of Shiba to non-crypto investors. Even this one rumor could raise the price of Shiba by 12%. Then, what will the actual list compare to? When the Dogecoin was listed on Robinhood, it pumped more than 800% in 24 hours. In the following weeks, from the app and from Elon Musk's support and buying pressure, the Doge reached a high of 70.70. Let's take a quick look at what happened recently. The official account of the Market Revolt tweeted that Shiba is going to be listed in Robinhood. He mentioned that Shiba should come to Robinhood. This in itself has increased the price of Shiba Inu by 12%, and the watch guru admits it and says that Robinhood is being listed as not confirming Shiba. But to avoid such rumors and to value their announcement, Robinhood tweeted this Buzzcoin didn't make any announcements about. But the good thing is that they are not denying this rumor. So according to experts, Robinhood is ready to list Shiba Inu but wants to create value for their own declaration rather than rumors. But how will this list of Shiba on this Robinhood affect the price of Shiba Inu? The list of Shiba Inu coins on the largest crypto exchange will make the coin widely available, and more investors will rush to buy the coins. We all know that the price supply of crypto depends on the needs of the investor. If the demand increases, then the price of coins will also increase. Now let's see when this list is going to be and at what point can we expect a price increase. An ongoing petition on Change is change.org. The petition was started by Kristen Luke and a request to Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin on their cryptocurrency exchange platform. According to this petition Kristen mentioned, this petition is designed to kindly request Robinhood to please list Shiba Inu coins to trade. Dogecoin has been a huge success for Robinhood and its investors. We have all enjoyed the ride. Shiba Inu is a similar Nimiq coin with genuine potential, up 2,000% in the last weeks, gaining new ground by the day. Shiba has just been listed on Finance and its momentum grows by the hour. Half the questions when we log into trading forums ask, how can I buy Shiba? Let's encourage Robinhood to be the first traditional brokerage to get on this train. Thank you. Interestingly, this application has already received more than 2,700 signatures. If you haven't signed up yet, I have also provided a link to this application in the description below. Go to link and sign the petition. Let us all increase the strength of the Shiba army by increasing the social campaign of Shiba Inu. We all know that when Dogecoin was listed on Robinhood, it was 34% of Robinhood's crypto income, which helped Doge reach all-time highs in 2018. Robinhood has now listed Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu will definitely cut one more zero, and so big will give 10 times profit through application. We can expect Shiba Inu on the Robinhood platform in the next few weeks. What do you think of these lists? Will these lists help Shiba Inu reach 0.01? Let us know in the comment section below. Recently we received news that Robinhood is secretly checking crypto wallets. The news was published by Bloomberg reporters Annie Massa and Mark Gurman. According to this news, Robinhood Markets Inc. is testing new crypto wallet and cryptocurrency transfer features for its app. This will allow customers to send and receive digital coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and Shiba Inu coins. Every Shiba Inu fan is waiting for this moment, but the question is, when will it happen? It hasn't been made official yet, but the aspect of the beta app has already been seen. Many experts and Bloomberg reporters are confident that this could happen later this year. If this happens, no one will be able to stop the rise in the price of Shiba Inu with this type of crypto wallet. Consumers will use it without converting virtual coins or cryptocurrencies into dollars. Do they also provide a single place to store all their virtual coins to protect customers with a private key, which is most important for new users. One of them is a crypto wallet. Shiba devotees can use virtual coins or crypto coins without converting them into dollars. So we can say, the price will not stop in these last 3 months, and if you think or sell, you can make more profit. With this, we end the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and also thanks for supporting cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned by subscribing to get more videos. Let us know your opinion. Be sure to share your buying or selling thoughts in the comments section below, and also be sure to turn on the post notification to get the first notice every time we post a new video. The facts furnished in this video now no longer represent funding advice, economic advice, buying and selling advice, or every other kind of advice. The content material of this video is for instructional functions simplest and consequently have to now no longer be taken into consideration as economic advice. Manage your due diligence and seek advice from your economic consultant earlier than making any funding decisions.